In this video, we will be showing you various neutralization reactions. In a neutralization reaction, an acid is added to an alkali or a base to make salt and water, which is a neutral solution of pH 7. We have done our risk assessment and we have realized we need to wear goggles throughout this experiments. You can record your observation on this worksheet. If you don't have one, your teacher will pause this video now so you can draw this table on your exercise book. Before we show you how neutralization is done, we will show you the color change by adding an indicator to an acid, water, and alkali, and observe the change in color. We have 3 different conical flasks labeled acid, water, and alkali, and universal indicator to test them. We will add universal indicator to all 3 liquids and see the color change and identify which one is acid, alkali, and neutral using the pH chart. Experiment 2, neutralization. Mixing acid and alkali together to make salt and water. We have 3 different beakers which contain vinegar, which is acetic acid, water, and baking powder solution, which is sodium bicarbonate, an alkaline solution. We add universal indicator solution to each and see the color change. What is the pH of each solution? You can guess by looking at the pH chart. Now we will slowly add the acid into our alkali solution and see the color change. Till acid has neutralized the alkali solution and the color becomes green. Experiment 3, neutralization. Using a burette, we will do a simple titration. This is to determine the volumes of acid and alkali that must be mixed to obtain a solution containing only salt and water, or we say we have a neutralized solution. We have inside a conical flask sodium hydroxide, which is an alkaline solution. We will drop some universal indicator inside and observe the color change. Now, using our burette, which has got hydrochloric acid inside, we will drop some acid inside the conical flask and see the color change. We will see the different color change. Please refer to your pH chart before our solution is completely neutralized and we have made salt and water. As you can see, it has started to change color. Experiment 4. Neutralizing stomach acid using antacid tablet. An antacid tablet is a substance which neutralizes stomach acidity to relieve symptoms of heartburn, indigestion, or an upset stomach. We have here in a boiling tube hydrochloric acid, which represents our stomach acid. It will be very interesting for you to know that our stomach produces hydrochloric acid as it helps in digestion of food. These antacids neutralizes the excess acid sometimes produced in the stomach. Now we will add universal indicator into the boiling tube which contains hydrochloric acid. As you can see, the color went red, which indicates is a strong acid. Now we will add the antacid tablet and see what happens. Antacid should neutralize the hydrochloric acid, and we will see this as a color change. As you can see, the bright red color has gone lighter, is moving downwards toward pH 3, 4, and then eventually 5, and it will lead to pH 7, when we will say that antacid has neutralized the hydrochloric acid or the stomach acid. As you can see now, the antacid has neutralized the hydrochloric acid, which is the stomach acid, to neutral, which is roughly pH 7.